and welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atif Masih series.
In this video, we will discuss Python Lambda Function. A Lambda function is a small anonymous function. It is defined without a name. That's why we call it anonymous function. While normal functions are defined using def keyword in Python, but anonymous functions are defined using lambda keyword. A lambda function can take any numbers of arguments, but it can only have one expression. And see here the syntax of lambda function. We will use lambda keyword, then arguments, and then colon, and after colon we will write expression. And look at this example. We will create a lambda function that will take one argument and add 10 in the argument. This is a variable x, and this variable will store the return value of lambda function. And see here, with lambda keyword we will create a lambda function, and it will take one argument, which is a. And see here, after colon I have written expression a plus 10. It will just add 10 in the argument. And see here, with print I have just printed the value. And see here, x is a variable and it will take argument for lambda function. And see here the result. I have just entered 5 as an argument, and see here, this expression just add 10 into 5, and that's why it returned 15. We can create multiple arguments, and see here in this example we have two arguments a and b, and then expression a multiplied by b, and then we store the return value in x. And see here, with variable we can define arguments. And see here, in this example 5 and 6 are argument values. And see here the result. It just multiply the a and b. And look at this example. In this example we have 3 arguments, and then see here the expression. It just sum up the all arguments. And see here, in this example I have given 5, 6 and 2. And see here the values. It just sum up all the arguments values. Now we will discuss why we use lambda function. With example I will explain the need of lambda function. See here, we have a simple function q, and we define this using def keyword, and then we return cube of y argument. And see here, in lambda we just use lambda keyword and then argument, and after colon we multiplied the argument 3 times, and see here, then we print it, and both return the same value. But lambda definition does not include return statement. It always contains an expression which is return, and we can also put lambda definition anywhere a function is expected, and we don't have to assign it to a variable at all. We can say that we don't need to assign the return value of lambda to a variable as we did in previous examples. Now see here, we just created a lambda function with lambda given, and then see here we have 3 arguments, and after colon we have a expression that just sum up the 3 arguments, and see here in bracket I just have given values of argument and then printed the value. See here, it returned 6, and here we don't need to save the value in different variable, and for this purpose we just write the all lambda function in round bracket, and also we have given the value of arguments in round brackets, and we can use different values as a default. And see here, in this case I just assign 3 to the z argument, and see here in this case I just given 1 and 8. It automatically use value of z, and see here it returns 12, 1 and 8 9, and this 3, that is default value, that's why it returns 12. And also we can give arguments as a keyword, and see here we have 3 arguments, then expression, and see here in this round bracket I have just given key and value, and see here it returns 12 because x has 1, y has 8, and z has 3. That's why when we sum up all these values it returns 12. And also we can give arbitrary arguments to the lambda when we don't know how many arguments it will take. We use single star argument, and see here with some function we sum the all arguments of the lambda, and then see here I have given 3 value, it means it has 3 arguments. When I give here 4, and now see it returns 10. Next we can also give arbitrary keyword argument with double stack, and this is the name, and then see here with sum we will sum the values of keys. With dot value we can access the all value of key, and see here we have key 1, 2 and 3 in words, and see here we have value 1, 2 and 3 in digits. Now see here Next, we will discuss the use of lambda with built-in function, and we can use lambda with filter and map function. First, we will say how to use with filter. We will create a list, that is li, and see here these are the element of list. And see here, with filter we will access each element of list, and then we will check. This is our expression and x is a argument. It will take each element of list one by one and then check if x is divisible by 2, then it will skip. And see here, this is the second argument of filter. Filter will take two arguments, lambda function and list, and then it convert the result into list using list function and stored into new list. And see here, when I printed this list, it returned the all elements that are not divisible by 2. And now we will discuss use with map. Same as filter, map will work, and it also take two arguments, one lambda function and other is list. And see here, in map function lambda will take one argument and then expression. It just multiply the each element of list with 2 and then it will return a new list. And see here, it just multiplied the each element of list with 2. In this video we have discussed about lambda function in Python. If you want to learn more about Python, please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will get notified when I add a new video on my channel.
Stay tuned.
Thank you
We'll
so
be
much
right
for
back.
watching.